So, you're thinking about getting goats and you're wondering, can I get just one? Well, it sounds simple. One goat, relatively small space, easy start. But that choice can backfire. In this video, I will share with you what actually works when it comes to raising goats, whether you've got a big pasture or just a backyard setup. Goats are herd animals. That means they don't just like company, they need it. A single goat might survive, but it won't thrive. It'll get lonely, it'll get loud, it'll start finding ways to get in trouble, chewing, getting through the fence, whatever. Even if you're short on space, do yourself a favor and start with at least 2. Trust me, it'll save your nerves and your fencing. Now, let's talk land. On decent pasture, and I mean decent, you can run about 6 to 8 goats per acre if you rotate them and supplement with hay as needed. On wooded or brushy land, you might be able to push that number while they help clear it, but only for a short amount of time. Got smaller space? No sweat. You can still raise goats in a dry lot or a backyard pen, but just plan to feed hay year-round and keep the area clean to help avoid health problems. So, can one goat work? Well, technically yes, but practically you're setting yourself up for the goat and yourself to have a really tough time. Goats are wired for companionship. 2 goats won't cost you much more to feed, but they'll be happier, healthier, and a whole lot easier to manage. We keep our goats together except for the bucks, which is what's behind me. We keep the girl goats and kids with the cows. I will caution you though, if you're going to keep anything with bulls, you better have a pretty special bull. If you're going to keep your cows and your goats together, when I feed grain, I feed them in several spots, as in smaller amounts of grain and maybe 10 or 15 different locations. That way, there's no fighting for grain. The goats will lose. Cows outweigh them 5-fold. So just keep that in mind if you're going to do that. If you're serious about goats, start smart. Get at least 2. Set up the proper shelter and give them plenty of space. Got questions? Leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer everyone. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe for more real-world homesteading advice. Until next time, I'll see you down at the barn.